everyone, this is Sharita with Unique by Sharita. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our man cave, or as we call it, the cave, because both of us get to enjoy the room. So here is a before picture of the room. Now, it was nice, but we wanted to expand out. And keep in mind, even the way this room looked here in this picture, it was much different before then. So after we did everything, we decided maybe a year later that we wanted to take this brown wall and push it back 4 feet. Here's the plan I made just to have a visual of our final results. After we had the wall pushed back, we decided to add a board and batten to the wall. And here we added another bar area using some shelving, and we used a top cabinet as a base cabinet by adding a base with some wood on the bottom. Before I get started, I want to thank everyone for watching my videos. I also want to thank my subscribers, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn your notification button on. As you can see, we decided to paint the baseboard and the trim the same color as the wall. We haven't done the area around the windows yet because we have a plan for that later. Notice the brown thing on the floor. It is a shot glass holder. We saw it in Mexico and my husband came back and made one. It holds about 20 shots, I believe. This is an air purifier by Rabbit Air hanging on the wall. Before we had a sofa and a love seat. We decided to replace those with 4 chairs some time ago. So my husband decided to take some of the labels from the cigars he had been saving and have them framed in a picture frame. Here's a photo that my husband ordered online. He just took an old picture frame that I had, spray painted it a matte black, and replaced the old picture with the new picture. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.